Over the course of the past month, the price of XRP has seen a substantial climb, and market analysts anticipate further gains in the event that critical price levels are surpassed. Commentators like ex-user Dark Defender projected that the bullish momentum will continue to propel the market to new heights. This was based on a positive RSI, a large open interest in derivatives, and probable developments in the Ripple vs. the SEC dispute. XRP could end the week at a price higher than 60 cents and go closer to 66 cents, which would be considered the Ishimoku cloud. The merchant stated that they anticipated a substantial increase. At the beginning of this week, Crypto Bull made the assertion that something significant is about to happen for cryptocurrencies. The fact that they had added a massive bag was recognized, but they also promised that they would refrain from touching the hoard until the price reaches $1. Both Crypto Tony and X-User are also contributors to this project. Their assertion is that the price of XRP has been consistent within the range of $0.55 to $0.65, and they have pledged to participate in the investing market if the price reaches a higher threshold. It has been predicted by Crypto Insight that the value of XRP could go below $0.52 during the course of the next few days. On the other hand, the trader pointed out that if the price increased to more than $0.64, the prognosis would be incorrect. The Relative Strength Index is one major indicator that suggests that XRP may soon go to the north or side. This is one of the positive indicators that we are looking at. An instrument that can be used to determine if a market is overbought or oversold is called the momentum oscillator. The range is from 0 to 100. A score that is greater than 70 suggests that there is a probability of a falling price in the near future. At the moment, the ratio is hovering at 46, but it dropped to a lower level earlier this month, which is almost a year ago. Even though there has been a slight decrease from the peak that was recorded on July 24th, the aggregated open interests, which refers to the total amount of outstanding derivative contracts like as futures or options that have not been resolved for XRP, are still rather robust at approximately $600 million right now. In most cases, this is a marker that indicates the beginning of a violent motion in any direction. For more than 3.5 years, the entities have been involved in a conflict with one another. Currently, the battle is in the trial stage of its process. In the previous year, Ripple was successful in 3 key court victories, although they were not yet complete. As a consequence, the price of XRP surged. Despite this, the owners of the asset may enjoy additional benefits in the event that the firm achieves a good end. The most recent meeting of the Securities and Exchange Commission, which took place behind closed doors on July 25th, was rumored to be about a settlement. On the other hand, the regulatory body has not yet made any announcements concerning the latest developments. In order to obtain additional information regarding the lengthy case and how it may have an effect on the price of XRP, please watch the video that is provided below. Do you feel anxious about the lawsuit filed by the SEC? We are going to enter a period of significantly increased intensity. In the following video, we will discuss the most recent developments in the SEC complaint that has been brought against Ripple. We will talk about the recent meeting that left everyone wondering what would happen next, how it would affect the price of XRP, and why it is essential to have clear regulation of cryptocurrencies. To stay up to date with all the most recent information regarding XRP, click the like button. What is it about XRP that everyone is talking about right now? During a suspenseful story, try to picture yourself on the edge of your seat. That is precisely how many who hold XRP are feeling about the recent meeting of the CC that took place behind closed doors. The significance of this lies not only in the fact that it describes some possible occurrences in the future. At this moment, there is a great deal of ambiguity. Because of the legal conflict that XRP is having with the Securities and Exchange Commission, let's take a closer look at it. On account of this, there is a significant amount of unpredictability and volatility in the price. Although expectations for a resolution were boosted by the recent court-mandated settlement conference between Ripple and the SEC, the meeting closed without any firm answers, disturbing investors and raising doubt on the future of XRP. Hope existed for a solution to the problem. On the surface, it would appear that the Securities and Exchange Commission is pursuing Ripple for fines that are greater than $2 billion. The possibility that the Social Security Administration would file an appeal on the classification of XRP as a security further complicates matters, according to Ripple, which views this sum as providing extra confusion as a consequence. All this uncertainty, the regulatory position of XRP and presumably other cryptocurrencies is not clear. This uncertainty has the potential to impede investment and innovation in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. To what extent does this have an impact on the price of XR and the overall market? Nevertheless, if a good conclusion or settlement is reached, the uneasiness that investors and aficionados of cryptocurrencies are experiencing might be alleviated. It is of the utmost importance too. Under close observation, XRP is the pro that has the potential to trigger a major price spike in the event that the demands of the SEC are mitigated or Ripple is successful in countering them. XRP has the potential to break through critical resistance levels and rise toward $1 and beyond if this scenario plays out. In addition, this could serve as a positive example for other digital assets that are subject to regulatory scrutiny of a similar nature. It is possible that the market may react rapidly and dramatically to any positive changes in the law that are intended to manage risks. At the moment, I would want to present you with a bit in the event that you are interested in continuing to accumulate XRP prior to the conclusion of the SEC lawsuit. There were more questions than there were answers that were left after the Secretary of State's most recent meeting. As a consequence of this, there is a tremendous deal of ambiguity in the atmosphere at the moment. Ripple will not emerge victorious by a significant margin, as stated by Bill Morgan, an attorney who advocates for XRP. Morgan addressed the potential challenges that Ripple could face, even in the event that a resolution is reached. He emphasized that a settlement would most likely necessitate compromises from both parties and that Ripple would not win very much through the process. Furthermore, the SEC's anticipation of a big fine, which is reportedly well over $1 billion, makes it more difficult to negotiate a compromise. Morgan gave up on the possibility of a settlement shortly at the same time that he gave up on the idea of a confrontation with the XRP litigation settlement. This is in stark contrast to the current posture that Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is taking. The attorney stated on X that even while this is something that is likely to occur in the event that it does, it is more of a compromise than a huge victory because it implies that both parties will have to give up something. The method that Morgan takes sheds light on the complexity and fallacies that surround the possibility of a case that has received a lot of media attention leading to a successful settlement. The Securities and Exchange Commission initiated legal action against Ripple in December of 2020, asserting that the business had successfully raised more than $1.03 billion through the sale of its investments. A court opinion in 2023 by Budge Dodge Torres announced this interpretation, which stated that some program sales of XRP did not constitute securities transactions. At the time, the CC classed the token as unregistered securities. Nevertheless, this interpretation was announced through the court ruling. In the meantime, a user expressed their doubts about the possibility of a settlement that did not involve significant concessions from the SEC. They said that they would not see the value in Ripple until the SEC either forgave them permanently or promised that they would not challenge the decision that Judge Torres had made. In response to this, Morgan made an explanation of the characteristics of settlements. What does this mean for the price of XRP in the market as a whole, taking into consideration that settlements are often used to resolve disputes in the market? A former attorney for the SEC, please explain why you are looking for a cryptocurrency trading experience that is both perfect and secure, Mark, and are you sick of trading on systems that do not meet your expectations? I would like to use this opportunity to introduce you to a unique cryptocurrency exchange that will completely transform the way you trade it. If your earnings are not where they should be, it is time to take your business to the next level. Trading is something you can do with complete assurance because to its high level of security, two-factor authentication, and insurance fund. The presence of a robust infrastructure guarantees both the dependability and precision of the transaction execution process. There is a straightforward and user-friendly interface that has been created for both personal computers and mobile operating systems. Squadron opportunities that were missed are here. Furthermore, if you are new to cryptocurrencies, BitGo provides you with tutorials and a community that is friendly to help you get started inside the cryptocurrency world. By utilizing my affiliate